Shush! Shush, please. Hi, folks. Martin Lackey, First Weber, along with Lions Realty and Investments. So I'm coming to you, real quick, to give you a quick pointer on something that could really help and catapult your business. So it helped me, so I want to help you. Because why? Because I love you. So first thing is, I want you guys to remember this. It's called Canva, Canva. Canva. Canva will help you do flyers, postings, will help you do branding, anything for your business. So make sure you get your branding guidelines, your branding colors, and the other stuff uploaded into Canva, okay? Second, number two, I'm only gonna give you two. And then I love y'all, so I'm gonna give you this one. It's called Fiverr, Fiverr, two R's. Fiverr will help you with any social media posts, any script writing. Just there's freelance work. It's like in Upwork, So it's let me give you another one, a bonus, Upwork. So we got Fiverr. Fiverr allows you to hire people to help you build your business. Check them out. Type in what you need. They'll guarantee you there's somebody. Filter it out for if you want someone from overseas. They got virtual assistants. So I recommend them there perfectly. Shout out to my two virtual assistants I got that keeps me on point. So I'm giving you guys a bonus I just mentioned. The bonus is Upwork. Upwork allows you to hire people to help you with your business. So ain't no more asking your cousins to show up for work. Ain't no more than asking your auntie to come help you do some stuff, or you're asking your kids to do nothing there, depending on people not to show up. This is a way you can guarantee the work. You can write up a script. You can write up what you need them to do. You can have somebody from Fiverr write the script, right? And then you can take it to that and you can load it to Upwork. And Upwork will allow you to work. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick video with that, just to show you 3 things that I use to help me with my business. Because I don't need it. You don't need a big team no more. You just need a few tools to get you going. So I hope this video helps you guys. Keep me posted on if you need any work, if you need any help guiding your business. You guys know how to reach me. Follow the link below. If you like the video, like or subscribe for further content. I love you guys. God bless.